My name is Nitika. I'm part of the Global Learning and Development team at APL Logistics. I manage their content, e-learning design, and from an operations standpoint, all the L&D platforms that we have with it. And Kite Sparrow happens to be one of our prominent platforms that manages the 360 service for us. AP Logistics is a firm that is into supply chain logistics, which means we look at movement of cargoes for our clients from one point to another. That's our main source of service. We at APL have been leveraging Sparrow for our 360-degree surveys, as I mentioned earlier, pertaining to our leadership programs as well as for our coaching-related services. So that's how we're giving you only functionality. As part of our leadership program, we had always embedded 360 as one of the pillar over there. So we wanted our people who are going through the leadership development journey to be able to look at their areas of strength, areas of improvement with regards to feedback coming in from all the four directions. Because as a leader, that's an important component. And that's where 360 feedback was very, very helpful as a tool. We looked at multiple platforms. We engaged with multiple platforms, but then there was some of the other services which weren't clicking for us. Some of the areas which weren't really working for us as an organization. That's where, while doing the research, we came across Thrive Sparrow. And since the time we started engaging, since the time we started, exploring the features and functionalities, there's never been a time that we've looked back. Any time that we've come back with a feedback or a feature advancement or something more that we wanted, I think Thrive Sparrow has been very willing and open to hear us out, look at it from a problem statement standpoint and come up with a solution for it. So that has really worked well for us. So for us, one thing that has been extremely important is the user experience or the subject's experience while they're using the platform. And that has been one of the major issues in all the other platforms that we had leveraged before. Either they were too difficult or they were too complex for people to be able to navigate. Knowing that we come from diverse regional perspectives, diverse languages that people would be speaking or would be comfortable with. Another challenge has been with regards to the scoring and the way it has been done. It doesn't look like it's very fresh, or it's very transparent. You usually find there are challenges or gaps over there. People may not be aware about how the person is performing in that particular role. They may not be able to have that kind of understanding of a particular competency. There's always an option to say, okay, this is not applicable from our standpoint. A lot of platforms, cater them into the calculation, taking the overall average to one-sided, which is not the correct perspective as per us. And that's where Thrive Sparrow's calculations are very transparent. The system setup for user was easier, but for an admin, it was super, super easy. I mean, we didn't even need an implementation team to be able to implement the service for us, though we had the customer service support throughout our journey. But then it was so easy and so natural for us to be able to set up the survey, look at the configurations, test it out. Everything was very seamless for us. One of the platforms that we were using before this, the two major challenges we faced with them. One is with the calculations of including not applicable within the average scores. And second one was the language support. Both these things were addressed by Thrive Sparrow, and most importantly, the user friendliness that it offers. That's like, icing on the cake. And people really loved it. Absolutely. But the scores are not accurate. When there's more inclination to pull the scores down, so whatever calculations are being done, then people don't feel motivated to invest their energies over there. The data is not accurate, so you're a little bit taken aback whether you really want to continue with that journey of platform or not. So I think that was one of the major things that for us to be able to move away from a particular platform and move on towards Thrive Sparrow. As part of our leadership development ceremony, where 360 is one of the major components. We do a pre-360 and we do a post-360 to be able to see what has been the change in people managers who have gone through the leadership development journey through the entire journey's curriculum, right? And that's where this assessment of pre and post comes in handy. The second one where we use 360 frequently is going to be with our coaching services. Wherever we are offering coaching and the service to our employees, that's where 360 comes in handy for us. Also, at this point in time, we're looking at for any transition into new roles, which could be skill specific or niche roles. Again, we're looking at 360 to be incorporated, which means if you're transitioning from an individual contributor role to a people's financial role, which is a critical role, then again, going through a 360 would help you in key areas, which could be your areas of strength, as well as areas for you to really work on as you transition into this new role. So these are the 3 areas or 3 pillars for us when it comes to 360 degree surveys. I think our experience has been very, very seamless. Right from the testing, when we were creating the surveys to see whether this is going to be a right fitment for us or not, creation of surveys to looking at the entire evaluation process to nomination, everything has been very easy. While we've always had customer service support from ThriveSparrow then, but because the survey has been so easy to configure on our own, there hasn't been a major challenge. But whenever we've needed that support, there's always been around and they've reached out to us. I think survey and evaluation, yes, that helps everyone, whether it's subjects, whether it's managers or us as learning and development students. The analysis that is offered to us and surveys, that is most important, where you can clearly differentiate, look at the competency trends, look at the development areas as an organization for a particular region by departments. Those things are really, really useful. And that's what we are looking at from a learning and development standpoint. So far, the survey cycle that we've had is only one. So there are not been many major trends that we've been able to figure out. But yes, some basic analysis we've been doing on those lines, and we look forward to having more results on that area. I think the personal development plan, especially the AI feature that is available, that has come in really handy for us. That is something very useful, wherein the entire report is analyzed and a concrete development plan is shared with the subjects. So that is extremely useful and handy for our subjects. Not only for subjects, but learning and development professionals also, advisors for them also, who are going to be eventually coaching or training them on those skills. So this comes in like one ready report. You don't have to go through each and every detailed section, but this is like a summary. And since it is AI enabled, which means learning and development doesn't have to put in their extra effort to make it relevant to each and every role or each and every individual, rather AI, puts in that kind of base effort. All you have to do is review and fine tune it as it's needed. I think one thing, if you would ask them how this platform has been for them, they would say easy, super clean. They don't have to, look at the videos of how to navigate the platform, what to do, where to do. But this is so straightforward, right in their face. They know what to do about it. So this is one definitely positive feedback that we hear always about ThriveSparrow. Absolutely. When I look at the number of subjects who have been able to complete their entire cycle of evaluation, that number has increased drastically for us. Earlier in our previous platforms, there was a lot of follow-up that we had to do from learning and development team to ensure people are able to complete their evaluations or the evaluators are able to complete the evaluations. Now, because everything is so easy and seamless for them, the platform is not difficult to navigate. People are able to do that immediately. So number of follow-ups from our end has also got reduced drastically. So that's one of the best things that happen for us. Absolutely, it has gone up. I would say close to 75% of more subjects are able to complete their entire evaluation cycle without us being really prompting them or pushing them through for it. We have reduced our ability to be able to share the reports we've been able to reduce the timeline by almost a week in our endeavor to be able to share reports. And our reports go only to the subjects, which means there's a lot of back-end work that is done before it is shared with the subjects. But thanks to the platform and the capabilities that it offers, that's, a week's time is now almost reduced because of it. I think two modules which I will be really keen for APL Logistics to explore. One would be definitely the Kudos model, and the second one is going to be Engage. So one is about rewards and recognition. The other one is about the pulse surveys or the employee experience surveys. These are really good in terms of analytics, the features that they offer. And I really believe they, align well with the APL strategy. So that's where I would like to see something around that region. I think I would recommend it while standing on the top of a building also. Brother, I'm so happy with Five Sparrow. I think two things for me which have stood out. One is the ease of the platform, and second is the customer service. What we say in APL is either it's the service that any client is offering to you, right? Service that they're offering to you, or it is the quality. What I get from Five Sparrow is both things. And that's what I cherish the most in this platform. As an admin, how much effort am I putting into the platform? And what is the ROI that I'm gaining out of it? It's amazing. So it's a definite yes. I definitely would want to recommend this to any user who is looking to simplify their lives when it comes to 360.